One-to-one poultry farm and business development classes. Are you planning to start your own poultry farm or enter the poultry business? Get personalized guidance with our one-to-one poultry development classes designed specifically for beginners and new poultry entrepreneurs. What you'll learn: basics of poultry farming, broilers, layers, farm setup and infrastructure planning, breeding, feeding, and disease management, cost management and budgeting, marketing and selling strategies, government schemes and subsidies, if applicable, tips for sustainable and profitable poultry operations. Why choose one-to-one classes? Personalized attention tailored to your goals. Practical knowledge, not just theory. Ask unlimited questions in a private setting. Learn at your own pace. Who should join? New or aspiring poultry farmers. Individuals looking to start a poultry-based business. Anyone interested in agriculture or livestock farming.